So yan mga kabahay, papasok tayo ngayon sa The Grove at Forest Farms, Havila Angono. So ito po yung pinaka main entrance niya. And here, magta-drive tour tayo. So tara mga kabahay, let's begin our drive tour. So drive tour muna tayo sa phase 1 ng The Grove. So for phase 1 mga kabahay, meron tayong dalawa pang available. Isang house and lot package na pre-selling and isang residential lot only. So puntahan natin yung location ng available na pre-selling house and lot. So yung available mga kabahay is very near sa main entrance ng The Grove. So nandito lamang po siya. Located in Block 2. So yung likod niyan mga kabahay is Don Mariano Santos Avenue. So it's a perimeter lot ang location niya. Katapat niya yung dati naming mga house and lot house model na Rossini. Ayan. So tara, continue tayo sa drive tour. So puntahan naman natin yung lot only in phase 1, block 7, lot 7. So babalik lamang tayo ulit sa main road ng The Grove. So yung location ng lot only namin sa phase 1 is nasa block 7, lot 7. Ang lot area is 540 square meter. So isa to sa mga best offer namin here in The Grove. And yung 4 square meter niya mga kabahay is around nasa 20 plus na lang. So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung nag-iisang residential lot only in phase 1 ng The Grove at Forest Farm, Havila Angono. And yung lot kat ito is 540 square meter. So tara, puntahan natin. So yung highlights mga kabahay ng lot is very near siya sa amenity area ng The Grove and Forest Farm. So nandun lamang po yung ating amenity area. And yung lot is this. So it's an uphill lot. Again, ang location niya is block 7, lot 7, phase 1 ng The Grove. 540 square meter. And ang kagandahan nito mga kabahay, yung lot na to is pasok sa ating promo. So it's 35% discount if cash buyer kayo. And yung tapat naman, ito po. And now mga kabahay, puntahan naman natin yung phase 2 ng The Grove at Forest Farms, Havila Angono. So yan mga kabahay, under construction na house and lot here in Forest Farms. And so kung mapapansin nyo mga kabahay, ang The Grove is part ng Forest Farm because it's an expansion lamang ni Forest Farms kung saan ang available is mga residential, lot only, and house and lot package. Kasi for Forest Farms po, ang available dyan is lot only. Na yung category niya is residential farm lot naman. And malaki yung cut in Forest Farms mga kabahay. 800 to 3,000 square meter. And for Forest Farms, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting idea. Mayroon tayong dalawa pang available dyan na re-open lot. And again, we're back sa The Grove. Puntahan natin yung phase 2. So yung mga kabahay, ayan yung Rossini model, yung orange. And yung yellow naman, yan po yung Chopin model namin. Yan yung 2 house model namin here in The Grove. So yan, nasa phase 2 na tayo mga kabahay. So for phase 2, ang available natin mostly is mga residential lot only. So yung lot cut in phase 2 is around 290 square meter to 534 square meter. So mayroon tayong block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, and block 5. So yung nasa right ko, ito po yung block 3. So yung nasa left ko naman, ito po yung block 5 and block 4. So yung terrain mga kabahay, mayroon tayong gently sloping, moderate, and extreme sloping. So mamimili naman po tayo kung ano yung preference natin. So tara, diretso po tayo. So pag dire-diretsohin nyo ito mga kabahay, ito po yung block 2 ng The Grove Phase 2. So for block 2, dyan po yung sinabi ko kanina na nasa 290 square meter na lot cut. Kasi yung mga malalaking lot cut natin is located in block 4 and 5. So yan, napakaliit lamang po ng phase 2 ng The Grove. So yan, pag dire-diretsohin natin again, ayan po yung perimeter na. And likod ng perimeter na yan, fence is yung Don Mariano Santos Avenue. And ito po yung block 1. So for block 1, nandyan, located yung mga house and lot package natin. So yung lot cut ng house and lot natin is nasa 329 square meter. So ito po yung block 1, ito naman po yung block 3 sa right ko. So yan mga kabahay, natapos na natin ikutin yung The Grove Phase 1 and Phase 2. And kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung location ng available lot only in Phase 1 and yung available din na pre-selling house and lot in Phase 1. Rossini model, and yung lot area naman ng available lot is around 540 square meter. So yan, lalabas na tayo mga kabahay. So yan mga kabahay, katatapos lamang natin mag-drive tour in The Grove, Forest Farms, Havila, Angono. So kung naghahanap kayo ng residential lot only and pre-selling house and lot na nasa high-end bracket and developed by Pilinbas Land here in Angono, Rizal, so please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. I'm Agent J from M4 Real Estate Corporation. Thank you!